So today I'm going to do a review on the Claridge T9 pistol. Since I haven't found any reviews or information about this pistol anywhere online, hardly. This particular model I haven't seen in any movies, but the Claridge pistols and carbines have been used in various Hollywood movies, including Iron Man 2, Total Recall, and some others. Interesting to note that this long-barreled shrouded pistol has kind of an AK style sight. This is plum colored, much like the SVT-40 rifle, which I have. This is a 9mm. Doesn't lock open after last round fired. There's supposed to be a slide open, hold open lever here, but this one is broken. It's broken when I got it. The safety, which I'll show in my video where I'm shooting, the safety is supposed to work. It's supposed to set the trigger back to a normal position after the slide is cocked, but you'll see in my video that it actually fires most of the time, so the round actually will fire. So the safety is basically useless. Very interesting gun. This trigger pull is very similar to probably an SKS. Watch the trigger. It's a military style trigger pull. Very similar. Takes 20-round magazine. The mag release button is kind of large, gets in the way. I dropped the magazine 6 different times during my shooting videos. Standard magazine. So I'll show some shooting videos after this.